In this video, I am going to explain multiplication of complex numbers. Z1 is a complex number. It is x1 plus iy1. Z2 is another complex number, that is x2 plus iy2. Now Z1 into Z2 is equal to x1 plus iy1 into x2 plus iy2. Then you multiply each terms, x1 into x2 plus x1 into y2 I, then I y1 x2 I into I square, but I square is minus 1, then y1 into y2. Then combine these two terms, x1 into x2 minus y1 into y2, plus in these two terms I is common, so take I outside, then x1 y2 plus y1 x2. So that is the product of two complex numbers, Z1 into Z2. Now let us multiply these two complex numbers. Z1 is 2 plus 3i, Z2 is 4 plus 7i. Z1 into Z2 is 2 plus 3i into 4 plus 7i. Then you multiply each term, 2 into 4 plus 2 into 7i plus 3i into 4 plus I into I square, then 3 into 7. Now 4 into 2, 8, then 2 into 4, 14i plus 3 into 4, 12i. I square is minus 1, so 3 into 7, 21. Now 8 minus 21 is minus 13, then 14i plus 12i is 26i. In this problem, two complex numbers are given. So this is one complex number. This is another complex numbers. These two complex numbers are equal. So you have to find out what is the value of x and y. If these two complex numbers are to be equal, what should be the value of x and y? First complex number, let it be z1. Second complex number, let it be z2. So equate z1 is equal to z2. So this is the first complex number, second complex number. Then you write the real part separately. Here 2x plus y minus 3. That means terms without I. Next you collect all the terms with I common, you take it outside. I, x, then minus y plus 2. This side real part, x minus y plus 1. Then terms with I. Here I, then 2y, I taken outside, so plus 1. Then if two complex numbers are equal, their real part should be equal and their imaginary parts should be equal. So equate the real part. This side, this is the real part. This side, this is the real part. So equate it. Then from this, you can write like this, taking this x to the side, 2x minus x is x, minus y this side, so it is plus y, so y plus y, 2y. Then this minus 3 you take to the other side, so 3 plus 1, it's 4. Then equate the imaginary parts. So here x minus y plus 2, that side imaginary part is 2y plus 1. From this you can write like this, x, this 2y you take to this side, so minus y minus 2y, so minus 3y. Take this to the other side, so plus 2 the other side, so 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Then these two equations are to be solved. X minus x 0, then 2y minus 3y, so it will be 5y is equal to 5. That means y is equal to 1. That value you put it in this expression, so you will get the value of x. So x should be 2 and y should be 1. Z is a complex number. If it is multiplied by I, it will be rotated through 90 degree. Let us see what is happening. I into Z, so x plus iy. So ix, I into I square. I square is minus 1, so it's minus I. So Iz is minus y plus ix. So it will be in the second quadrant. Minus y plus ix. So it is rotated through 90 degree. If a complex number is multiplied by I, it will be rotated through 90 degree. Suppose once again if you multiply, it will become I square Z. So again it is rotated through 90 degree. This is I cube Z. Again it is rotated through 90 degree. Here it is x plus iy. After multiplying by I, it is becoming minus y plus ix. So it will be in the second quadrant. I hope you have understood the concept of multiplication of complex numbers. Thank you for watching the video.